Yeah, so what we're doing now, we're just going for a little walk with Dave around the woodland, and on our tracks there's some elderflowers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect some elderflowers and we'll do some elderflower fritters, I reckon. Sounds a bit good, doesn't it? I bought the mix for it, might as well have a go. So yeah, so I'm going to collect some elderflower fritters, elderflowers even, and then we'll make them into fritters later on.
Oh, so they don't come like that, really?
No, unfortunately. So there you go, I've just collected some elderflowers, put them in my little mesh bag. Dave's just getting some elder to use for, he wants them for hand drill shafts.
Yeah, hand drill.
And so we just collect up some of these. Alright, so what I'm doing there, folks, is I'm just preparing. Obviously I cheated a little bit and I bought a batter mix, so I'll just put about 250ml of water into my Pathfinder cup with an egg. I'm just giving that a good stir now, take all the lumps out of it and make it nice and smooth, so I get a nice good batter mix. And then what I'll do is I'll heat some oil up in a pan, and then we can do the elderflower fritters.
Sack the camera around, mate.
Hey?
Sack it.
Just trying that spike up a bit. Let that heat up. So what I'm doing now, folks, I've just obviously put some oil. I'm using the skillet now, the cast iron pan, so I let that oil heat up. Well, what I've done, folks, is I've just literally dropped a bit of batter mix into it, and it's starting to sizzle now, so that's obviously a good sign now that the oil's, rather than putting my hand near it and everything else, I've just dropped a bit of batter mix in now, as I say, and it's starting to sizzle away a bit. So folks, this is obviously my first elderflower. The cup you can hear just behind the picture, behind the camera even. What I'm going to do now, here's the cup now, and I'm just going to dip the elderflowers into the mix, give it a good turn around. What you want to do as well is just kind of keep the stem out, something to grab hold on. Right, something like that, and then once it's done, just literally fry it in the oil.
Quick overnighter. Processing with a morning.
That's got a better colour to them now, that batter's really cooked.
Is this your one, mate?
No, you can have it.
No,
No,
you have
sure.
that one.
No,
you
go on.
This is fine now, mate. You've done, that's enough for me.
I'm just going to cook them all. A few that I had. Nice though, ain't they?
Yeah. That's that picture, mate.
This is Dave's first taste of elderflower fritters.
Just go straight in there, yeah?
Yeah, just scoff the flowers. Reckon. Probably could have done with adding a bit of sugar to it as well, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but oh, nice. Yeah, nice one.
Well, this is actually my last one. We've scoffed about 5 or 6 each. So, bon appetit, really nice. So really simple to do. I mean, I literally cheated and used the batter mix, but you can obviously make one up from scratch if you so wish. Collect your elderflowers, ensure they've got no insects or anything on them, and then just dip them into the oil when it's obviously heated up. I probably could have done with a little bit more oil, but we're kind of rushing because we've only got a certain amount of oil, so bon appetit. Oh, nice. Could have been nice with a bit of sugar as well. Just to finish it off. There you go, folks. Elderflower fritters. There's Dave's scoff. Looks lovely, mate, that.
Yep. Old Lloyd Grossman, eh?
Lloyd
Pulls it
Grossman.
at the out every now and again.
Always, doesn't he? Who lives in a house like this?